Hey guys, have you ever wanted to use a picture for maybe a movable piece or some other activity in your class, or just to get rid of that white background that can pop up behind photos to make your slides look a little cleaner? There's a really cool tool in PowerPoint if you haven't used it before, and it allows you to remove a background from a photo. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not, depends. So the first thing we're going to do is just insert a photo from online. I teach culinary arts, so I'm just going to show an example we'll go with an ice cream scoop, since we've been talking about kitchen equipment in my class. The ones that I think you want to avoid, or the ones that I typically avoid, are ones that have an off-white background, so this would be brown, and looking for more ones with a white background here. So I can try this one. That one looks like it might already have a white background, but we can see. We'll test two of them out. Okay, so they both actually have a white background, so these are going to be good to try. And it might work out that one of these is actually better than the other. We'll see. So we're going to go up to Picture Tools and underneath that Format and remove the background. Now you'll see it removes a lot of stuff. Everything in purple is being removed. There's a button up here on the top left that says Mark Areas to Keep. Usually I always have to go through and do that. So I just mark carefully the areas that I'm trying to keep. You'll notice sometimes it's easier. And I think I have pretty much everything. You'll notice that sometimes you get a little bit of whiteness in there. Normally it doesn't matter though, you still get the basic picture there. All right, and there I have my ice cream scoop. Again, you can see that little sliver of white there. If I wanted to be picky, I might take more time to try and mark areas to remove. You can see I can do that. You can see it can be a little tricky. All right, we'll just leave it like that for now. All right, let's try with this one. So we'll hit the remove background again, mark areas to keep. I'm gonna focus on the end here. And that one actually looks pretty good. So what's funny is I actually thought that this one was going to be the easier one and this one was going to be the harder, but it actually ended up flipped, so you never know. If you want to make it look like I do sometimes, make it look real, you can also use these picture filters here, and I usually do this drop rectangular shadow. It makes it look like it's actually an object in 3D. All right, hopefully that helps some of you that like to use these photos or movable objects in your classroom. Thanks, guys.